All right, thank you everybody. We are back. Let's take a look at number 7. Number 7 says Malachi went to the store to buy some candy for his birthday party. He bought 10 packs of lollipops and 20 packs of Sour Patch candy. If there are 10 pieces of candy in each pack, how many pieces of candy did he buy together? So, this is a question we have learned before, but this type of questions are super, super, super important. So we know he bought 10 bags of lollipops and 20 packs of Sour Patch. We're going to add those two together. And in total, he bought 30 packs of candy. Okay. And if there are 10 pieces in each pack, right? So if there are 30 pieces and there are 10 pieces in each pack, we're counting 30 10 times. We're literally counting 30 10 times. You will soon find this much easier to do when you know how to multiply. Right now, this is just very hard. You're just going to add them all together. Trust me, when you add them all together, your answer would be 300. All right? Whenever you do this, a simple way to do this would be 30 times 10. Now, you probably have not learned this before, but if you do these type of questions, it's essential you do exactly as I do. Line them up 30 and 10 like this. Okay, right on top of each other. Don't worry about the zeros. If there are two zeros, we're going to put two zeros on the bottom. All right. If there are five zeros here, we are going to put five zeros on the bottom. We have the same number of zeros. And then we do 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times any number is just that number. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. All right. So 1 times 3 is 3. So the answer here is 300. That is why D is the correct answer. Let's take a look at number 8. Number 8 is very interesting. It says if one unit is one long, one is 100, sorry, it's 10, and one flat, one is 100, what number is represented by the picture below? So we just need to count here. That's all we need to do. 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we know this is 50. That's 400. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add them together, right? 456. That is why D is the correct answer. Self-explanatory. No one should miss this. Really, if you just count it correctly, you should not miss number 8. Number 9. Create as many 3-digit numbers as you can using the set of numbers below, 7, 8, and 9. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using 7, 8, and 9? One in each combination. So the easiest thing to do is just write all of it out, right? 789. You can write another one, 798. Now, with 7 being the first number, that's the only two combinations you have, right? Because you can only switch the places of the other two number, 8 and 9. But now we can put 8 in front. So 879 and 897. See, you got another two combinations. Now, for 9, it's the same thing. 878, 978, 987. And how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. D is the correct answer. And that's how you do number 9. Number 10 and the extra credit works. So number 10 says, using the number below, list the number in order from least to greatest. Least to greatest means from small to big. Make sure you write that, small to big. So what is the smallest number? To find the smallest number, we're looking at the first digit, the 100th place. We got 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 6, and 2 7s. So I know the 4's got to go, in the front. So we're looking at this one and this one. So since they both have 4 at the 100th place, I'm looking for the 10th place, the next place. One of them has got a 5, the other one's got a 2. Obviously, 2 is smaller than 5, so 423 go first, followed by 457. Now I have looked at them. I look at the 5s. Look at the 10th place. 523, 567, right? Obviously, 2 is smaller than 6, so 527, sorry, 523 is next, followed by 567. 600s. 667, 676. 6 smaller than 7, so it goes in the front. 712, 721. 1 is smaller than 2, so that goes in the front. And that's how you order it from small to big. Let's take a look at the extra credit work. 877 minus 299. 7 is smaller than 9, therefore we borrow from the 10th place. That 7 becomes 6, we put a 1 here. What is 17 minus 9? The answer is 8. If you're not sure how to do this, just count from 9 to 17, right? Take your finger out. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You would have counted 8 times. Look at the 10th place. 6 subtract 9. Can you do that? No, because the number on top is smaller. So we borrow from 8. 8 becomes 7. We put a 1 there. Now we're doing 16 minus 9. What is 16 minus 9? The answer is 7. Then at the 100th place is 7 minus 2, which is 5. 578 is the first one. The second one, 987 minus 599. This is also pretty simple. Minus 599. 7 subtract 9. Can't do it. 7 is small. Take 8 out, put a 7 there, put a 1 in front of the 7. What is 17 minus 9? You just did that, right? Right here. See? The answer is 8. Can 7 minus 9? No. Borrow from 9. 9 become 8. Put a 1 there. Now we have 17 minus 9 again. Do you need to do any math here? You already did it. The answer is 8. 8 minus 5. That's 3. The answer is 388. The next two are addition ones. Let's work them out. 564 plus 982. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 5 plus 9 plus 1. You should have learned this in first grade. When you see 5 plus 9 plus 1, you should do 9 plus 1 first to make it 10. Then 10 plus 5 would give you 15. So the answer is 1,546. Why do you do 9 plus 1 first? Because it's easier to do to make it 10. Then you just do 10 plus 5, which makes your question easier to solve. All right, 239 plus 982. What is 9 plus 2? 11. 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 2, 9, and 1. Again, you see 9 and 1? We're combining them first. 9 plus 1 is 10, adding 2 is 12. The answer is 1,221. And that's how you do all of it. Thank you so much for your time. Good luck. Make sure you finish, write your name. Have a good day. Bye-bye.